actually deserve?
Justice!
What is her name? What is her name?
Edo State youths don't do peaceful protest. Go Edo State Government House to demand justice for Uwaila Omozuwa. Until the death of Uwaila Omozuwa, some concerned youths for Edo State don't do peaceful protest come Edo State Government House to come beg the state government make them not let the people wey rape and kill her go free. Mary Edeko, wey be Commissioner for Social Development and Gender Issues, wey come receive the protesters on behalf of Edo State Government, yarn say the state government go make sure say them get the justice wey them deserve. As na this kind thing wey happen before, na make Edo State Government approve the VAP law, wey be Violence Against Persons Law.
We stand here to address you this afternoon. We are saddened, we are depressed, because Uwa, she represents the old and the young. Why am I saying that? In this age and time, when so many persons don't even think of studying, a young child that is aspiring, that is just young in the university system, she went to study. In broad daylight, our daughter, our intelligent girl, our responsible girl, a girl, the future of Edo State, the future of Nigeria. Somebody come to murder our daughter in cold blood. They will not go unpunished. His Excellency, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, he is resolute that those murderers, they will be found out. And they will face the full weight of the law.
Igodala Bridget, wey come represent the International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA, and some of the protesters come yarn the way the matter dey be for their body.
We dey here today because wetin FIDA dey do na to speak against violence, against children, against girl child, against women. We no dey allow rape. We dey do cases wey concern defilement and rape. But the good thing say our governor Obaseki, His Excellency, don't talk say this matter ain't get interest. Say make them make sure say they get those people, those bad people wey do this thing. Rape not good. They go stay away from rape, from murder, from violence. It's not good for our society. That is what we are saying.
Some people might ask, why are men out here? I have a niece. She's not 2 years old. I will kill somebody if anything happens to her. I've got a sister-in-law. I will end the life of somebody who touches her. I have a mother, I have aunties, I have nieces. And I can count at least 10 different ladies here who are my friends, who I've known for 3-4 years. My heart would break if tomorrow I found out that any of them was raped and the law did nothing. My heart would break tomorrow if I found out that they were raped and the question that was asked was not who raped them, but what were they wearing? Where did they go? Why were they there? What were they drinking? That's the reason why we're here. Because as long as this continues to happen in Edo State, none of us is safe.
The problem of rape is not what the girl is wearing. It's not if the girl is outside by 11 p.m. It no matter at all. The problem of rape is rapist. So we need to sensitize our society. We need to talk to people, and we need to ensure say this rape matter we gather poor hand make it end.
This girl where they kiss to be like me, you not get any difference from us I take day for here like this. So if they fit do that kind of thing to person where be saying I still same my gender, which means to say my sisters, my cousins, even my mother, because we hear stories of how market women they come back from markets, they still rape them. So that kind of thing, we don't know how this matter wants to enter, but we dey out here today. We don't know how it wants to happen. I know they related to this girl or anything, but I know say genderly and otherwise, emotionally they related to this girl.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo State youth don't do peaceful protest, go Edo State Government House to demand justice for Uwaila Omozuwa. Coronavirus na yamayama disease we don't enter we state. Make we join hand with Edo State government fight this yeye disease. We go fit do this one if we follow laws wey dey for ground, wey be to wash our hand with soap and water, use hand sanitizer, wear face mask and practice social distancing. Make una remember say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una as e dey hot.